Prefix sums. Do a little work up front, and every range sum question after that becomes instant. It's one of the highest value tricks in all of algorithms, and it's just running totals. Let's see it, with no code, just pictures.
Start with an array of numbers. A prefix sum array stores, at each position, the total of everything up to that point. Walk across once, keeping a running total, and write it down as you go. The last cell holds the sum of the whole array. That single pass is all the preparation you'll ever need.
Here's the payoff. Want the sum of a slice from index left to index right? Don't add it up again. Take the prefix total at the end of the slice, and subtract the prefix total just before it starts. The overlap cancels, and what's left is exactly the slice's sum. Any range in constant time.
Reach for prefix sums whenever you'll ask about many ranges of the same array, whenever a problem involves subarray sums, or whenever you're tracking a running balance. Precompute once, then answer each query in a single subtraction.
First problem, range sum query. You're handed an array and then asked, again and again, for the sum between two indices. Recomputing each time would be slow. Prefix sums make every query trivial.
Build the prefix array first, running totals, left to right. Now a query from index 1 to index 3 is just the prefix at 4, minus the prefix at 1. One subtraction, no matter how wide the range. 1,000 queries cost 1,000 subtractions instead of 1,000 full scans.
Next, a sharper one, count the subarrays whose sum equals a target k. A subarray's sum is a difference of two prefix sums, so we need pairs of prefixes that differ by exactly k.
Sweep the prefix sums left to right, and keep a hash map counting how many times each prefix value has appeared. At each step, the number of subarrays ending here with sum k is simply how many times the value current prefix minus k has been seen before. Add that in, record the current prefix, and move on. Prefix sums plus a hash map turn a quadratic search into one clean pass.
The boss sums over a grid. Given a matrix, answer the total inside any rectangle you're asked about. The same idea lifts into 2 dimensions.
Build a 2D prefix table, where each cell holds the sum of the whole rectangle above and to the left of it. Then any rectangle sum comes from 4 corner values. Take the big block, subtract the strip above and the strip to the left, and add back the top left corner you subtracted twice. Inclusion and exclusion, 4 lookups, and you have any region's total instantly.
That's prefix sums. Precompute running totals once, and every range question collapses into a subtraction. Range queries counting subarrays with a hash map, and rectangles in a grid, all powered by the same little array of totals. A tiny investment paid back on every single query.
That's pattern 14 of 18. Next, hash maps, the constant time lookup that quietly powers half of these patterns. Learn every pattern, plus hundreds more lessons. Master code. Master your future.
CodeSamur-ai